Did you know that some of the food you eat every day contain hidden ingredients that could be harming your health? From bread to yogurt to even baby food. Companies are adding preservatives, artificial colors, and chemicals, and they don't want you to know about it. Give me a few minutes of your time, and I'll reveal the shocking truths to you. Bread. Most store-bought bread contains potassium bromate, a chemical banned in many countries for its potential link to cancer, yet is still used in some Nigerian and US bread products. Other hidden ingredients are bleached flour, high fructose corn syrup, and emulsifiers. Yogurt. While marketed as a healthy food, many flavored yogurts are packed with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, synthetic flavors, and thickening agents like carrageenan, which has been linked to gut inflammation. Baby food. You think baby food is the safest, right? Think again. Studies have found high levels of heavy metals like lead and arsenic in some brands, along with hidden sugar, preservatives, and even artificial colors. Artificial colors. Red 40, yellow 5, blue 1, found in candies, cereals, and even flavored drinks. These dyes have been linked to hyperactivity in children, allergic reactions, and potential cancer risk. Soft drinks and juices. Many fruit juices aren't actually made from real fruits. Instead, they contain flavor enhancers, high fructose corn syrup, and preservatives like sodium benzoate, which can become carcinogenic when combined with vitamin C. These hidden chemicals aren't just meaningless names on a label. They affect your body in ways you may not realize. Artificial sweeteners trick the body, increasing cravings and insulin resistance. Some preservatives like BHA and BHT disrupt hormone function, affecting metabolism and reproductive health. Emulsifiers, artificial flavors, and preservatives damage gut bacteria, leading to bloating, indigestion, and long-term digestive disorders. Studies show a connection between artificial colors and hyperactivity in children, affecting attention and focus. Many food additives are linked to diabetes, cancer, and heart disease over time. Dr. Adewale, a Nigerian nutritionist, once people assume that if a product is on the shelves, it's safe. But many of these additives are not regulated properly, and long-term exposure can have serious health consequences. Her mother, Ada, shares her experience. My son used to have constant stomach aches and mood swings. After switching to all natural foods and cutting out artificial ingredients, his health improved drastically. So, how can you protect yourself and make healthier choices? Read the labels. If you can't pronounce it, think twice before eating it. Go for whole food. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and homemade meals are always the best choice. Avoid processed and packaged food. The longer the shelf life, the worse it is for your body. Choose natural sweeteners, honey, dates, or pure maple syrup are better alternatives to artificial sweeteners. Limit artificial colors and preservatives. Opt for brands that use natural ingredients and fewer chemicals. The bottom line: know what you eat. The food industry profits from keeping consumers unaware of what's really in their products. But knowledge is power. By learning to read labels, choose real food, and avoid harmful additives, you can protect your health and your family's future. You now know the shocking truth about hidden ingredients in everyday food. But what can you do about it? The good news is that you have the power to take control of your health by making informed food choices. Be proactive. Read food labels like a pro. Many food companies rely on misleading marketing to make unhealthy products seem healthy. But once you start reading ingredients list, you will quickly learn how to spot the hidden dangers. Here's how. Look at the first three ingredients. These make up most of the product. If they include sugar, high fructose, corn syrup, or hydrogenated oils, it's a red flag. Avoid long complex ingredient list. If a product has dozens of unpronounceable ingredients, chances are it's heavily processed. Watch out for sneaky sugar names. Companies hide sugar under names like maltose, dextrose, cane juice, and fructose syrup. Too much sugar can lead to diabetes and obesity. Beware of artificial additives. Common ones to avoid: MSG, monosodium glutamate. It causes headaches, cravings, and bloating. Artificial sweeteners, aspartame sucralose, can mess with metabolism. Preservatives such as sodium benzoate, BHA, BHT, they are linked to health risks like cancer and inflammation. Artificial colors such as red 40, yellow 5, they may cause hyperactivity in kids and allergic reactions. By simply reading labels before buying, you can protect yourself from harmful ingredients and make smarter food choices. Choose whole, real food over processed junk. One of the simplest ways to avoid hidden additives is to eat food in their most natural state. Try these easy swaps. Flavored yogurt. Go for plain Greek yogurt, adding fresh fruit to it. Sugary cereals. You can swap it for oatmeal with honey and nuts. Packaged fruit juices. Freshly blended smoothies will do better. You can swap your store-bought bread for homemade or whole grain bread with no additives. Processed snacks such as chips, biscuits, swap them for nuts, seeds, or hair pops popcorn. Golden rule: the fewer ingredients, the better. Stick to food that are fresh, organic, and locally sourced whenever possible. Every purchase is a vote for the kind of food industry you want. Support brands that clearly label ingredients and don't hide additives. Use natural sweeteners instead of artificial ones. Avoid harmful preservatives, dyes, and unnecessary chemicals. Are committed to ethical and sustainable food production. By choosing brands that value health over profit, you help create demand for cleaner, safer food options. Take small steps and make it a lifestyle. Transitioning to healthier eating doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with one small change at a time. Challenge yourself to cook more homemade meals instead of relying on processed food. Gradually reduce added sugar in your diet. Your taste buds will adjust over time. Introduce fresh whole food into your daily routine. Educate family and friends so they too can make informed food choices. Well, the power is in your hands. At the end of the day, your health is your responsibility. By learning how to read labels, choose whole food, and support clean brands, you can protect yourself and your family from harmful additives. What's one food swap you are committing to today? Let us know in the comments. Let's build a community that values health and empowers each other to make better choices. Now that you know the shocking truth about hidden ingredients in our food, it's time to take action. The food industry thrives on keeping consumers in the dark, but together we can demand more transparency, honesty, and healthier options. Why do awareness matters? Most people have no idea what they are really eating. Food labels are filled with misleading claims, and companies use hidden additives to maximize profit at the cost of our health. But knowledge is power. By educating ourselves and others, we can make healthier food choices and protect our bodies from harmful ingredients. Demand stricter food regulations and transparency from manufacturers. Help others break free from the cycle of processed, unhealthy food. When more people become aware, companies will have no choice but to change their practices and offer cleaner, healthier food options. Spread the message and make a difference. You have the power to create change. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Help educate others by sharing this video with friends, family, and on social media. Talking about food labels and hidden ingredients in everyday conversations. Encouraging loved ones to read labels and make better food choices. Supporting brands that are committed to using real natural ingredients. Every small action contributes to a bigger movement, and together we can change the way. Drop a comment below. What was the most surprising thing you learned today? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video about protecting your health. Let's demand better food, better transparency, and better health for ourselves and future generations. Like, share, and subscribe if you believe everyone deserves to know the truth. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.